Hi everyone, and welcome to our tutorial on how to scan user tickets using the SRVZr app. First, let's look at these example ticket IDs. Imagine you have a ticket like this one. Remember, users can access their tickets through the app or find them in their email. Whether it's a printed ticket or a digital version on their phone or our website, it's all good as long as there's a QR code to scan. Now, let's dive into the scanning process. Open your SRVZr app. You'll be greeted by the home screen. From here, tap the Your icon at the bottom and select Events. Choose the event you're managing. For this tutorial, let's pick an example event and proceed to the check-in section. Just ready to scan? Great! Look for the scan icon at the top of your screen and tap on it. Now, simply scan the ticket you're holding. Once you do, a pop-up will appear confirming the user's check-in. It'll show details like the ticket ID, check-in time, ticket name, and even the table and seat details. Simple, right? And guess what? You're ready to scan the next ticket? It's that easy to keep the entry process smooth and organized. Here you will also find out if tickets have been used multiple times or have been paid for. If they have not been paid for, you can accept payment right on the spot. Thanks for joining me in this quick guide. With the SRVZr app, managing event tickets is a breeze. Happy scanning!